in a previous class we are solving the problems of this type, that is when a cubical die is thrown, then we can prepare the probability distribution and write the probabilities of getting 1, probability of getting 2, probability of getting 3, probability of getting 4, 5 and 6, and then find the mean and variance of the random variable. Today we are going to solve this type of problems. Here the probability distribution of a random variable x is given below. Find the value of k and the mean and the variance of x. Here we have to find the value of k. After find the value of k, we have to find the mean and variance of x. Here random variable x is equal to xi, that means x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 2, x3 is equal to 3, x4 equal to 4 and x5 is equal to 5. The assigned probability of this one, probability of x equal to xi, given that probability of x equal to xi is equal to k, 2 equal to 2 k, probability of x equal to 3 is equal to 3k, probability of x equal to 4 is 4k, x probability of x is 5 is equal to 5k ఇచ్చారు మనకి. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చెప్పింది ఇంతకుముందు కూడా మన ప్రాబబిలిటీ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్కి ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్లోనేమో సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఈజ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటెడ్ అమాంగ్ ది క్లాస్ ఇంటర్వల్స్ అని చెప్పాం. అట్లనే ప్రాబబిలిటీ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్లో సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది టోటల్ ప్రాబబిలిటీ 1, హౌ ద టోటల్ ప్రాబబిలిటీ 1 ఈజ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటెడ్ టు ది పాయింట్స్ అని చెప్పాం. టోటల్ ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఈజ్ 1. వి నో దట్ sum of the probabilities is equal to 1. Sum of the probabilities means that implies sigma probability of x is equal to xi is equal to 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. So I takes the values from 1 to 5. These are the probabilities of the random variable x. Sum of the probabilities is equal to 1 means some sigma probability of x equal to xi is 1 from I is equal to 1 to 5. That implies when we substitute I is equal to 1, that is probability of x is equal to x1 plus probability of x is equal to x2 plus probability of x is equal to x3 plus probability of x is equal to x4 plus probability of x is equal to x5 is equal to 1. Here x1 means 1, x2 is 2, x3 is 3. That implies probability of x equal to x1, that is equal to k. In the table, probability distribution table, probability of x equal to x1 is equal to k. Probability of x equal to x2 అంటే 2k. This is equal to 3k. This is equal to 4k, this is equal to 5k, is equal to 1. Total sum of these terms 1k plus 2k 3k plus 3k 6k plus 4k 10k plus 5k 15k is equal to 1. 15k is equal to 1, therefore k is equal to 1 by 15. First we find the value of k. After find the value of k, now we have to find the value of mean of the random variable x. Mean of x, we know that mean of x is equal to mean of x means mu is equal to sigma xi square probability of x is equal to xi minus mu square. Mean of x is equal to sigma xi into probability of x equal to, this is the variance of x. Must మనకి probability లో x sigma xi into probability of x is equal to xi. Sigma xi into probability of xi equal to xi, that is here I is equal to 1 to 5. Here xi means xi అంటే x1 is equal to 1. x1 into probability of x is equal to 1 plus x2 into probability of x equal to 2 plus x3 into probability of x equal to 3 plus x4 into probability of x equal to, here x1 x equal to xy means x1 1 అంటే x1, x2 this is x2, this is x3 and this is x4. Last value x5 into probability of x equal to x5. x1 is equal to 1, therefore 1 into probability of x equal to 1, that is equal to k. 1 into k plus 2 into 2k plus 3 into 3k plus 4 into 4k plus 5 into 5k, that is equal to k plus 4k plus 9k plus 16k plus 25k. Total 5 values చూడండి ఇక్కడ 1 2 3 4 5 values. Total 5k plus 9k 14k plus 16k 30k plus 25k, that is equal to 55k. 55k, but k is equal to 1 by 15, that is equal to 5 11s 5 3s, that is equal to 11 by 3. This is the mean of x. Mean mu is equal to 11 by 3. After finding the value of mu, now we have to find the value of sigma square, that is variance of x. Variance of x is equal to sigma square, that is equal to sigma xi square probability of x is equal to xi minus mu square. Here we have 5 values, so I takes the values from 1 to 5, that is equal to x1 square into probability of x is equal to x1 plus x2 square into probability of x equal to x2 plus x3 square into probability of x equal to x3 plus x4 whole square into probability of x is equal to x4 plus x5 square into probability of x is equal to x5. x1 square is equal to 1 square, 1 square into k plus 2 square into 2k. Next x3 and 3 square into 3k, 4 square into 4k, 5 square into 5k minus mu square. Last value minus mu square, last term minus mu square. x1 square into probability of x equal to x1, x2 square into probability of x equal to x2, atla last value x5 into x5 square into probability of x equal to x5 minus mu square. Here x1 is 1, x2 is 2, x3 is 3, x4 is 4, x5 is 5, 5 square into 5k minus mu square. This is equal to 1 into k, 2 square 4, 4 into 2k 8k, 3 square 9 into 3k 27k plus 4 square 16 into 4 64k, 25 into 5 square 25 into 5 125k minus mu square. This is equal to 8k plus 1k 9k plus 27 36k, 36k plus 64k 100k plus 125k 225k minus mu square. We know that value of k is equal to 1 by 15, mu is equal to 11 by 3. Here mu is equal to 11 by 3. That is equal to 11 by 3 whole square. 15 15s. 225 minus 121 by 9. This is equal to 15 by 1 minus 121 by 9. Then we get 9 LCM. 9 into 1, 15. 135 minus 121. That is equal to 14 by 9. This is the variance of x. Sigma square is equal to 14 by 9. Therefore, finally k is equal to 1 by 15. Mean of x mu is equal to 11 by 3. Final value variance of x sigma square equal to 14 by 9. These are the required value k, mean of x and variance of x.